Hi guys, happy Saturday and welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing good. So today we're gonna change things up a bit. We're gonna do a cooking vlog. So today on the menu it's dal and roti. So this is the flour that I'm using. Here I'm adding the flour to the mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer to mix the dough. After adding the flour, I'm gonna add the baking powder and give it a little mix. And then I'll add the water to combine everything together. And so guys, I want to say thank you to everyone who is watching our video and who will subscribe to the channel. And also a big welcome to all our new subscribers that we have. Now on the channel, we will be uploading our video once a week, every Saturday. So guys, please look out for a video every Saturday.
Darling, on the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this was it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem better than me, but was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. Oh, I really should've known. Be with dynamite till we hit a red other side. After all this time, this is it for us.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope.
So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you all have a great weekend and see you in our next video. Bye.
That's all.